Welcome back. After the last couple of sessions, you must be familiar with applying C task statements to convert delimited text files to Parquet format. So I would like you to create external tables for the remaining delimited files. Please use the external tables already present in the bronze layer to select the data for these three tables, namely calendar, trip type, and vendor. Please come back to the video if you get stuck and I'll walk you through my solution. Good luck. And vendor. Please come back to the video if you get stuck and I'll walk you through my solution. Good luck. Welcome back. Hope you managed to complete the assignment successfully. If not, please follow along. The scripts are not very different to what we did previously. All I have done is have cloned the taxi zone script and created the other three scripts from that and just simply changed the table names. So let's go through each one of them. So calendar, for example, would be now reading the data from our bronze calendar and writing into silver.calendar. There is no other differences, and similarly trip type. Again, the bronze table we are reading, writing into silver, and we are doing exactly the same for the vendor as well. So I've already created the table. So let me quickly run the select statement. First we will run for calendar. We got the output. Now next we will run the trip type script. We got the output for trip type as well. And at last we will run the vendor script. This also return the data. As you can see, we've got the data, and if I go to the container, I'll see the files as well. So as you can see, we got the three folders within the silver folder called calendar to trip type and vendor. So it's as simple as that. I hope creating these three tables has given you enough experience doing a CTA statement, and in the next session we'll look at something a bit more involved. So see you in the next session.